Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Gmail address, name and username. Now I'm showing a simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. First of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. After that, click on Google account. Go to my personal info. Now shown here two more options: name, birthday, gender. Click on to name. Shown here to two options: name and nickname, but not showing here to username. So don't worry, go back. Tap onto three line. Scroll down. Go to help and feedback. Send feedback. And explain your problem. So follow my all short later, and finally click on to arrow icon. And you need to just waiting some time, then Google team automatically resolve this problem. So I hope you can follow my all process, then you gain the success. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.